Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to manage recurring billing tasks in Todoist. The first thing we'll do is create a new project for our billing tasks. Click on the plus button on the left sidebar and name it something like Monthly Bills. The reason we do this is to keep all our billing tasks organized in one place and avoid cluttering our main task list. Now that we've done that, let's create our recurring tasks. To do this, click the Add Task button and type the name of the bill. Then type every month or every first in the date field and press Enter. This ensures that Todoist will automatically remind us of this task on a monthly basis. Next up, we're going to assign the task to a person if you are using Todoist with a team. Click on the Assign button, select the team member, and click Assign. This helps us because it designates responsibility for the payment of the bill to a specific person, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Finally, we're going to set a priority level for our billing tasks. Click on the task, then click on the Priority button and select Level 1. This is important because it ensures that our billing tasks stand out in our task list, reducing the likelihood of forgetting them. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is now set up to remind you or your assigned team member to pay each bill every month, making sure you never miss a payment again. That's all there is to managing recurring billing tasks in Todoist. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, staying organized with your bills can save you a lot of time and stress in the long run. See you in the next tutorial.